आप लोगों ने पिछली वीडियो में ये पूछा था कि आपने अपनी फ्रेंड को क्या रिचुअल बताया। देखो, रिचुअल्स आपकी एस्ट्रोलॉजी के हिसाब से सबके अलग अलग हो सकते हैं। मोटे तौर से अगर 5 एलिमेंट्स की आप बात कर रहे हो, जो कि टैरो है हमारा 5 एलिमेंट्स हैं इसमें, तो पांचों के पांचों एलिमेंट्स को वहाँ पे जिनको आप एक तरीके से एड्रेस करके रिचुअलिस्टिकली हर रीडिंग से पहले आप ये कर रहे हो। Bring पंच तत्व पूजा तत्व उपासना, or you can say understanding of 5 elements. If you are getting into reading tarot and if you're working with astrology, you will have to work with the planets as devas, as entities that are actually going to govern your life situations, because you will start manifesting through these things. So the basic thing to do tarot is keep these things pure. Then only you can use tarot for guiding others or guidance within yourself. Otherwise tarot can just be another distraction. So tarot reading is not a field for everyone. It's a lifestyle. In broad way you can say that. Like, to cultivate that, you have to work on your spiritual stamina, and that means you have to work that muscle every day to do readings as well as things that deeper sense of knowing, एक deeper consciousness को जो strengthen करती हैं, वो rituals आपको अपनी life में लाने ही पड़ेंगे और आप stress में नहीं रह सकते. You have to learn manifestation. You have to, like, your nervous system should be something that is a blessing to others, and for that you have to do a lot of spiritual work. A lot of people you will see, they go into teaching instead of consultation, because consultation is a practice. Teaching is like parroting. If you want to do tarot consultations or if you want to do energy healing, energy reading consultations, you will have to, who am I to tell you, oh, you will have to, because otherwise the paths will show you. You will drop. You will become this, I don't know what I'm doing here. I'm just spiritual, some shit. You will get into this spiritual psychosis that I mentioned in the last video also. Yeah, avoid guide. Are you here to do the consultation? Are you here to do the practice? Or are you just like passing time with tarot? Important. And if you're just passing time with tarot, okay, there is spiritual entertainment also. You can use tarot for that. You can use all these readings, astrology, trying to understand astrology से और वास्तु से जो लोग सिर्फ गेम कर रहे हैं ना अपनी लाइफ में, living a fake life on basis of astrology and vastu without knowing their true essence, even numerology has been abused like this. So see that you are not ending up abusing these things to maintain a lifestyle. कि अगर आप सुन के कहीं से कुछ कर रहे हो तो वो करो, आप टोने टोट के अपने रिचुअल्स, अपने मैजिक वर्क, अपना ये स्पेल वर्क, you do that is great, but do not like spread it like it. A lot of tantra is not working in today's world. A lot of tantra is not working. So doing tantric practices with these astrology is also tantric. So astrology has many layers.